Apple. A double P L E apple. Mango. MAN MANGO go. Mango. Grape. GRAPES grapes. Assalamu alaikum dear kids, how are you? You know, today we will learn something so special. Yes, today we will learn the name of fruits. Name of fruits. Yes, now let's start. Apple. A double P L E apple. A double P L E apple. A double P L E apple. Banana. Banana. BANANA banana. BANANA banana. Mango. MANGO go. Mango. MANGO go. Mango. Grape. GRAPES grape. GRAPES grape. Orange. ORANGE orange. ORANGE orange. Pear. PEAR pear. PEAR pear. Peach. PEACH peach. PEACH peach. Pineapple. PINE pine. APPLE apple. Pineapple. PINE pine. APPLE apple. Pineapple. Cherry. CHERRY cherry. CHERRY cherry.